But too,
Organizer wants to have it in south. The people don't want. If people come and block the roads when the sunburn is going to happen, on the day of sunburn, it is going to be a disaster for the government also and the tourism also of the state. So tourism is the backbone of our state, the economy. Economically, it is our backbone. So it cannot suffer a setback. Always sunburn used to happen in North Goa.
but you are ready to take it
Let
from
the
the south.
organizer decide where he wants. He gets the NOC of the land. As a coastal belt MLA, my support will always be there for a clean sunburn. Again, I am very specifically telling for a clean sunburn. Whatever are the rules and regulations, they need to follow.
क्लीन सनबर्न म्हणजे कितें?
Clean म्हणजे तुम्ही मागीर sunburn म्हणल्यार आनी कितें म्हणून
ना तूं सांग म्हाका क्लीन म्हणजे कितें सनबर्न?
भितर धरलें कांय आसूंक पारना.
आसना आसतना सनबर्न जाता. तूच म्हाका सांग.
कितें उलयता मागीर?
So, few days back you went to the DGP to give the memorandum regarding harassment to the tourists. What happened with that?
चालू आहा मरे चालू आहा न्हू. ओनली इफ देर इज अ विज्युअल वायलेशन द ट्युरिस्ट आर बींग स्टॉप. आमच्या एरियेन तरी हांवें पळयलां की विजिबल वायलेशन जाल्यार स्टॉप करता थिंगा, नाल्यार आतां आदी खंय स्टॉप करताले थंय करिना.
सो आतां सुदारले.
जावंक जाय सुदारलें म्हणना ते. सी दे आर ट्युरिस्ट, दे आर कमिंग हियर to spend 3 days, 4 days in the state of Goa. They are giving us revenue for the state exchequer in way of GST, and all the stakeholders who are in the industry are earning on this, and people are working over there. Our local people.
Any resettling issue is going on? Have you heard about
I
that?
have not heard anything.
So there is a
I have not heard.
One Delhi meeting is going on today.
No, that is not in my thing. CM आणि तो वच जाणा बाब विश्वजीत. अरे आम्ही न्यूजारसून ऐकतात.
Vishwal is also no sir.
The Yuvraj